Now exercise 5.3, 10th problem. Exercise 5.3, 10th problem. Now I read the question. The students are supposed to copy the question from the textbook. 10th question. An express train takes 1 hour less than passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. I repeat the question. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 122 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So here we have two trains, one is the express train and one is the passenger train. So the express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. Now, given that the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So, let the average speed of the first, let us assume speed of the passenger train as x. So, let us assume the speed of the passenger train. So, this is your 10th problem. Let the speed of the passenger train be x kilometers per hour. Given that the speed of the express train is 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train. So, speed of the express train is 11 kilometers more than the passenger train. Now what is given? Now we need to find the train is covering a distance of 132 kilometers. Now let us find the time taken by the passenger train and the time taken by the express train to cover the same distance. So time taken by the passenger train is distance by time. Here the distance given in the problem is 132 kilometers. So distance by speed, sorry, here it should be speed. So distance by speed, 132 by x. So time taken by the express train is same distance by speed to cover the same distance, 132 by x plus 11. Now according to the problem given is the express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So according to the problem, express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So we will find an equation for this. So time taken by the express train be T1 and this one will be T2. So T2 is 1 hour less. So T1 minus 1. So T2 is T1 minus 1. So we will get T2 as 132 by x plus 1 is equal to T1 as 132 by x minus 1. So we will solve this equation. So we will get 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 1 is equal to 1. So 132, if I take common, 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 1. So 132 is equal to, we will take the LCM, cross multiplication, x plus 1 plus minus x by x into x plus 1 is equal to 1. Minus x and plus x goes. So 132 by x into x is x square plus 1, x into x, 1 is 1, x we will get 1. Here it should be, x plus 11. So we will get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11. So x plus 11 minus x by x into x plus 11. So 132 into 11 by x in this plus and goes, x square plus 11x is equal to 1. So 132 into 11. If you multiply 132 into 11, you will get 1452 by x square plus 11x is equal to 1. So we will get 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x. So x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. So when we solve this, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 11 and c is equal to minus 1452. So we need to find the values of roots of this. We can find as minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 11 plus or minus 11 square minus 4 into 1 into 1452 divided by 2 times 1. So minus 1 plus or minus 11 is 121 minus 1452 multiplied with 4 will give you minus, should be minus plus 5808. So you will get 5808 divided by 2. So minus 11 plus or minus under root of 5808 plus 121 will give you 5929 divided by 2. So minus 11 plus or minus root 5929 is 77. So find 77 by 2. So therefore the roots are so minus 11 plus 77 by 2 or minus 11 minus 77 by 2. So 77 minus 11 will give you 66 by 2 and this value will be minus 88 by 2. So the value of 2 ones 233, the roots are 33. Therefore we can find the speed of the passenger train as 33 kilometers per hour. So therefore the speed of passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour and the speed of express train is 33 plus 11, which is equal to 44 kilometers per hour. Now the 11th question should be solved by the student itself. 11th question is very easy. The students are supposed to solve the 11th question from the textbook. Thank you.